it. And
maybe lots of emojis.
Hey, bro.
Oh, no. Hello.
Yes. Hello, sir. Blank. A doodle do.
Wait, what does my voice sound like?
Your voice sounds.
Does it sound like a? Does it sound bizarre?
Sounds like you just did helium from a balloon, like Mickey Mouse.
I'm just testing the built-in functionality here.
Oh, is there a new alter your voice tool in here?
Yeah. Just look at the tab on the bottom. It says voice transformer. That's one's on Bullhorn.
Voice transformer. Oh, that's hilarious. I don't have one. What time is it? What time is it in California? It's like 1 in the morning or something.
No, I'm in Austin here. It's 2 a.m.
Austin, very cool.
Yeah, there's a whole soundboard. Wait, can you see the soundboard?
I'm looking for it, and I don't see the soundboard. I see music. Oh, dude, you can't get on Twitter Spaces when you're in the bathroom, bruh. Oh no. About Spaces, just settings. No, I don't have the soundboard. I think. Oh, you know what? You're on the since you work at Twitter, you're on the you must be on the test flight or the test server. I don't think anybody else has. I have music. I can select music, but I don't have the soundboard. Now serving number 27.
Some of these are very annoying.
So how are you doing?
Not bad. No, so you can't see a little 1 setting at the bottom?
Nope. I see.
Okay.
I see requests, mute everyone, music, but I don't see 1 setting. Weird.
I
have the little. Oh, I found it. You hit that little wizard, and then there's a soundboard. Oh wow, this is cool.
Yes.
Oh shit. This is hilarious. Oh wow. This is gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
How you doing, Elon?
This is that's pretty funny.
Oh, this is so dumb. It's great. Oh god, is that the rain? Is it still raining out there? You know what?
The soundboard.
I've been eating so much food while I'm here in Japan. Oh god, that tempura. Oh, so good. Now serving. Blank a doodle do.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is hilarious.
Blank a doodle do.
Oh god, this is hilarious.
You sound just like Hartman. We just go full South Park on this.
Yeah. You should totally go full South Park. Oh,
This is funny.
History of the World Part 3.
This is pretty great.
Did you see the South Park with the royal family yet? We need our privacy. We want our privacy. Give us our privacy.
The Privacy World Tour.
The tour was so great. Oh god, they're back on their game. I just love the part where it's he calls the police they're putting fireworks and playing polo on their front lawn. We want privacy.
What is this voice?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Hi, what's going on down there?
I'll go back to normal. Well, I mean, it's kind of entertaining. Are you still there? Hello? Maybe we lost Jason. Well, I better go to bed. Talk to you later.